Do you want to know the advantages of constructing a multi-storied in pre-engineered building? Hi, this is Anupam Agrawal from Durga Steel Group. We have done multiple multi-storied buildings in pre-engineered building. The recent one was in NTPC, wherein we constructed 16 1 BHK flats, fully furnished and delivered to NTPC. There are various advantages which I would like to share with you. So the first one is the timeline. The timeline of the project reduces when you construct a building in steel, which ensures that there is a high return on investment. Because if you go for a civil construction, it will definitely take a time of 1 year for a building of a G+4. But I can assure you, with pre-engineered building, you can construct it in 8 months or 7 months. Similarly, the second point is the usable area. When you go for a construction pre-engineered building, you will get more spans. The spans will be more, so there will be more usable area. Also, the slab, the depth, or what you say, the slab size are lesser in pre-engineered building. So again, you have a higher usable area in terms of height of the building from inside. Then comes the concrete. If you want a concrete look from the outside, in a pre-engineered building, we can use AAC blocks, which are lightweight bricks, and this can be installed on the walls along with the steel columns and rafters. So that will give a civil building look from outside. So nobody can determine that it's a steel building or a RCC building, but the finish would be the same and the building will be much faster to construct and lighter to construct. Also, another very important point is, if you go for a steel construction in multi-storied, these are all considered under green building. So you will get a green building certification and you will save the nature. And this can be benefit. This can further benefit you in your marketing when you sell this product to your end customers. Then next is the investment. It's an investment when you go for a steel building in multi-storages, because the entire steel which is being used, this can be a huge asset in future, like 30 years down the line, 40 years down the line. When, let's say, if you don't want to use this building, or there are some issues with this building which you want to discontinue to use this building, so the entire building will have a scrap value and you will get a very good amount at the end of 30 years down the line. JSPL has recently constructed all their housing in Raigad plant and this Dhenkanal Angul plant in pre-engineered building and in steel. So they will have this as an asset in future. This is just one of the example. Then last but not the least, the best use of this is, this can be shiftable to another location, because all the things are nut bolt system. In this, if this will be a civil building, it's 0. If you want to shift, if in case of certain circumstances come, but in pre-engineered building you can shift and you can take advantage of it. So there are multiple advantages. We are ready to discuss with you and tell you the cost benefits out of it, which you can do construct your building in pre-engineered building. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Hope this video will be helpful for you, and connect with us and we'll give you further details. This is Anupam Agrawal signing off. Thank you so much.